Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down to go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake or loyal?
Here, what is going on, everybody? We got a very interesting video coming today. So, Brandon and I worked out with a couple of birds a few days ago. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you guys saw like the TikToks that we posted. And they were chatting it up. They said, oh, I want to train legs with you. I want to train legs with you. So, I was like, well, I'm training legs on Thursday if y'all want the smoke. And so today we're going to see if they make it through my leg workout. The one girl I have confidence in, like I have confidence that Maddie will be able to do it. It's not so much being able to do it, because it's like anyone could do it, but are you going to push yourself to the level that I push myself to? And like, can I just like, get in your face and like, yo, like, let's go, let's go, let's go. Because this guy over here did the leg workout. And what happened when you did the leg workout?
Shit was lightweight, baby.
Really?
That was good.
It was lightweight? Nothing happened?
You can't see my ass. It's dark in here.
No, we gotta go. Nothing happened when you did the leg workout?
A little throw up, never hurt anyone.
Yeah, lost a couple pounds during the workout, you know. The real secret to weight loss. But Brandon's gonna take a rest day. His body's pretty shot. What you guys should be doing, you should be taking rest days. Flores and I are gonna head to the warehouse right now, and then I might film some clips over there, and then we're gonna send it to the gym. We're going to Brick House today. They got some older leg equipment, like some pendulum squats and stuff like that. So I'm very, very excited to try some of those out. But yo, it's cold as fuck. I thought I moved to Texas. It might as well be Buffalo. Real feels like 14 degrees out here. Like, I brought this shit with me. And, like, it's going to be, like, the whole week. It's going to be brick. Like, fuck. Like, when I first got here, there's, like, at night it get a little cold. It was, like, in the 40s. And I was like, all right, bro, you're being a bitch. Like, stop that. Like, it's not cold. You come from Buffalo, dog. Come from Buffalo. This ain't nothing. And then it was like, oh, shit. It's cold now. But we're gonna, I haven't even ate anything. We're probably gonna pound a couple rice cakes, just get some carbs in us. And then I'll catch y'all at the warehouse or Brick House. All right, y'all, so we're here at Brick House.
Bird number one, you wanna introduce yourself?
I'm Madyson, hi.
What's your Instagram? You already know there's gonna be some dudes.
At Madyson Jade, MADYSONJAIDE.
I'll throw it on the screen since y'all are slow. We're starting off with leg press.
I think I'm
You see these? You see this? You see the quads?
The butt or the quads?
Both. Are you kidding?
You think they're gonna make it?
Okay, no. look at the rivers. Hold on.
What kind of subs do you take, bro? Just rest. You don't think they're gonna make it? I think I can max that fucker out. That leg press. I'm almost positive. It's pretty light.
Depends how heavy you go.
Huh?
Depends how heavy you go.
No, I'm pretty sure I'll be. How many plates do you think can fit on each side? 8?
Is that 2 or 1?
That's 2.
9.
9, you think? We gotta max it out. They gonna make it, Flores?
Make it what?
Did the leg workout?
Me leg workout? I'm doing chest.
No. You already threw up. I already done put you through.
I made it, bro. What are you talking about?
You did make it. Little trial and tribulations. Is that a woman's tank top, bro? You're showing lots of chest.
Look at that, baby.
Woo! Double D's.
Double D'd up.
Double D'd up. That's called going till you die. Shout out Hattie. TDD or TDD to death. Oh fuck. We don't leave shit on the table.
Don't you dare quit. Come on, more. That shit's still flying. Drive through your heels. 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 More. She wants to quit. We're gonna see what she's about. Oh, she quit early.
That was like 13.
You had more in you. Till you dropped. Thought you were gonna match my intensity. Nah.
I was doing 10. I was like 13.
We don't count reps around here, we just go.
What?
We don't count reps around here, we just go.
As y'all can see, I'm drenched in sweat, my legs hurt. Finish leg press. We're gonna see. How we feeling?
We're good. We're good.
You only did one set that matched my intensity though.
Hey.
Hey, hay's for horses. I told you check your ego at the door.
I put 3 plates on.
She did. I don't know what we're gonna do next. We might hack squat. We might power squat. Or we might do like a pendulum squat. I never know. All right, so we decided to do the power squat. This right here is one of my favorite exercises. In my opinion, it's very balanced on hamstring, glute, and quad activation.
You can also flip around and do it like a L sit, but I prefer to do it like this.
Super money. You can load up super heavy. Back at my old gym, I'd load up like 8 plates and hit it for reps. But every gym's equipment is gonna be slightly different. But we're gonna get to work.
She's alive, but she's dead.
My back is killing me.
The old back is killing me. All right, that was first like working set. We'll probably do 2 to 3 more. I train very instinctively. It's all on how I'm feeling. Sometimes we may only go 2 sets on an exercise. But keep in mind those 2 sets are us busting our ass, giving it like everything we got. I'm gonna wait till she comes back alive so she can film. Thought I wasn't gonna make it up.
We're about 30, 40 minutes in. How you feeling?
You see that on my fucking forehead?
What's on your forehead?
The sweat?
I'm not sweating. I'm not sweating. Not at all.
Might pass out, but what do we do?
Maybe we should do lunges. I think she'll pass out if we do lunges. We're gonna do 1 more set of these. We're gonna try that pendulum squat over there in the corner. That guy. And we'll see how it is. Flores, Nick, and Nick are over there crushing chest, I think. They keep winking at me. I think I might shoot my shot. Fuck, man. Oh. Oh. Jesus Christ. Good one, good one. I gotta lower it. Fuck. Still alive, but I'm barely breathing.
Oh shit. Oh fuck, I'm supposed to hold that for you. Or you can just hold it. Get it. Get it. Come on, Maddie. Let's work. I gotta sit my ass down. Oh. Get it. Keep that back straight. I told her to go to a place. She said, no, I'm gonna do 25s. Just gonna wrap it off with 45 of them. Don't you dare quit. Come on. I know you hear me too. Don't you quit. Don't you quit. Come on. We're gonna keep moving. Yeah. Come on. More. It's still moving. I don't care if I'm helping. Big breath. Up. It's flying still. You got like 5 more at least. Oh my God. Let go of it. You gotta let go of the thing.
Oh shit.
You're good? I think she had 5 more. Y'all let me know in the comments. Did she have more?
I'm trying.
How are you feeling?
I got more. Come on.
You had more. So then why'd you stop? So you left
I feel
some...
like my knee is gonna give out on me. I'm like overheating, low-key.
Y'all want to see a
shit.
dead body? Alright, so we're gonna do quad extensions. But we're gonna have the foam roller between our legs and we're focusing on squeezing the foam roller as we do our extensions. It's gonna help with the inside of our quads. Big squeeze at the top.
Come on, Jay.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Squeeze the foam roller. Like you're crushing somebody's head. Big squeeze. Come on, bitch. Tuck the bliss.
just didn't want to move. I tried. Oh shit. I tried. We were on the sus machine. We talked to some gentleman, 43, in incredible shape. He was talking about competing. He was complimenting us and whatnot.
You can't max this out, you're beta. Not beta.
I got it. Hold on. Let me see it. I'll try one.
Hold on. You're more flexible than this.
Hold on. I know you can get this out farther. Hold on. Yeah, there you go.
Hold on. My hip don't know about that one.
Yeah, all the way together. Use your hands to help if you have to. This man's squatting? This man's over here squatting. What the fuck? Come on, Maddie. Keep her. What's this guy doing? It's a little uneven.
This man crazy. Pop smoke is a must when doing the sus machine.
He can sit down.
Balls.
Come on.
That hurts so bad. Wow, the bliss.
Just squeeze his balls.
I squeezed the gliss.
That's why you can hear me in the background. I said, I think he squeezed his balls.
Fuck. Alright, y'all, so.
You think they're big?
Pump your shoulders up. There we go. There we go. That's pretty big.
Yeah.
Getting out angle. Hold up.
Angled.
Yeah. Alright, we finished the leg. We finished the leg workout. I think we did 4 or 5 exercises. How are we feeling?
Good. I'm tired. You think I did good?
You left a little bit on the table on almost every exercise, I'm not gonna lie.
Did I die? But did I die though?
You didn't match my intensity though, that's the whole, I told you you could do it.
He's lying.
Flores knows what I'm talking about.
Did you get angry?
Huh?
Did you get angry?
You may have grunted it here and there.
Come on, one more, bitch. You got one more.
I did not yell at her like that. I did tell her she had one more and she didn't do one more. She left a little bit on the table.
You see,
She made it though.
bad knees. We'll see that.
Bad knees. 2 knee surgeries.
Measure quads. You see, he has big quads. Got the tape?
Free fucking smoke. People just take to measure 1 quad.
Oh
A little looser. You're pulling it a little tight.
Nah, she might have bigger quads than me, bro.
23.
23 and 3/4.
23.
Yo, is that bigger than me?
Measure it.
got
Let's
28.
see.
No, I don't want to no more.
She's close.
Oh my god.
You're at 25. 25.
I'll measure this one too. We'll see. Look there.
It's a 28er right there, baby. Look at that.
We're on the 28. This one better be over then.
That's literally the size of my
Jesus
waist.
Christ. There we go, 28 and a half.
Where you at, Lex? Free fucking smoke. And they ain't gonna get bigger.
They're higher, they're higher.
Higher? Is that where I'm supposed to go?
The waist is supposed to be right here.
Where?
Right? Isn't that the
Yeah.
waist?
It's like the smallest little part.
What do we have? 31?
I thought it was fucking yesterday. Hold on.
Yeah, I know, bro. Y'all, nah, I had canes last night. I don't want to hear shit.
You sure you had canes?
Bodied that shit. They got some good chicken.
I swear to God.
Put it up a little bit higher.
Get me?
Oh, you're looking. All right, y'all. Camera died while Flores was getting shut up by the birds.
Bro, I got bigger quads.
No, she's got big. Jess has you beat.
Look at this hair. She looks majestic.
What the fuck you putting it on me? We're gonna go To the warehouse. Are we getting food?
Are we going to the warehouse? I want to get food first, bro.
Bro, we gotta, dude. We
Is that gonna get us food?
so much money on fucking food.
Dude, I know. Yesterday I spent like fucking $20 on fucking Chipotle.
Bro, you spent $24 at Chipotle. Who the fuck gets 2 burritos and gets double meat in both?
I'm hungry, bro.
Yeah, but that's OD. Yeah, we did a little bit of posing.
That girl's doing her makeup right now. I can't. I don't know why I laughed. She's probably gonna see this video. They'll put that in.
Insane. We took some pictures. She kind of made it. I'll give her an 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. She did all the exercises. Didn't go as hard as like when we went with all the boys. I don't know. It's hard to, just the energy fuels you. You know what I'm saying? But we definitely, I went hard. That's just what I do. But we're gonna grab some food and we're gonna head it to the warehouse. Do you guys want to support us? Use code JLaneFit at checkout or
Coach Flores. Coach Flores, bro.
like if you guys want to support us, man, and you're big fans of all of us, just cycle through. You know, one order you use one of our code, the next order you use someone else's code. Like it's all love. I want to see everyone eat. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, baby, we're all gonna make it, baby.
We're gonna talk to Nick about how we want to go about getting some Swole House merch for y'all. I want to get some dope stringers, maybe some hoodies, some pump covers and shit. Like
that's gonna be lit. You guys will be rocking some Swole House merch.
You already know the vibe. Alright, y'all, we made it to the warehouse. We secured the bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the workout. Like I said, I think it just ended. Where were we last? Oh, I think we went to the warehouse. Bodied that Chipotle. We came back, got another meal in. I'm cramping my ass off right now. I drank like 3/4 of a gallon, but I guess, I don't know, my legs are just too big. They need too much water. If you guys haven't already, drop a like on the video. Sub to the YouTube. We are trying to push out a ton of content on here. Trying to grind so much more. I will link down below, since you motherfuckers are thirsty, Maddie's Instagram, so you guys can go give her a follow. She made it, kinda, sorta. It wasn't the same intensity that we brought when I killed Flores and made him throw up, but y'all know me. Fat ass motherfucker. Y'all hear his ass stomping? The fuck he talking about? You talking shit? Oh my god, what's going on in here? Oh my god. Oh my god, what's going on in here?
We're looking at pictures.
Looking too damn good.
Pictures of Flores.
Hold on, let's see.
Damn
Can
good.
we see some of them for the YouTube?
You see
For the
that,
outro? Bro, I almost showed the gliss. Look at this cutie, man. Look at this cutie.
Alright, here we go. We got you know, the football, you know.
You know he's an athlete.
The stunt, you know, stunt coming out.
Woo! 1 week with light skin Jane, he don't know how to act.
Look at that. Oh!
Seen your picture or what? As always, y'all know the vibes. It's been real. It's been trill. It's your boy Jay Lane, and go chase your dreams.